Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we make learning English fun and easy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get all the updates on our latest videos. Today, we are diving into some practical tips and exercises to improve your English speaking skills. So, let's get started. First things first, let's warm up. A great way to start practicing English is by thinking in English. I know this might sound a bit challenging, but trust me, it works wonders. Start with simple things. Try to describe what you are doing right now. For example, I am watching a video or I am sitting on a chair. It's all about building that comfort level with the language. This brings us to today's topic, how to think in English. Alright, let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1. Start with simple vocabulary. Begin by using simple words that you already know. Think of things around you like book, phone, or coffee. The idea is to connect these objects directly to the English word, skipping the translation part. Now, step 2. Use simple sentences. Move on to simple sentences like I'm eating lunch or she's reading a book. It's okay if you make mistakes. That's how we learn. Step 3. Describe your day in English. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect and describe what you did that day in English. For example, today I went to the market. I bought some vegetables. I met a friend. This exercise helps in building narrative skills. Now it's your turn. I want you to describe what you see around you in English. Take a few seconds, look around and try to form a sentence. For example, I see a window or there is a tree outside. Write your sentences in the comments below and I'll check them out. Here is a quick tip. One of the most common mistakes learners make is translating from their native language to English. This can lead to awkward sentences and confusion. Instead, try to learn phrases and expressions as they are used in English. For instance, instead of saying it makes cold, say it's cold. See the difference. To make this a daily habit, set aside just 10 minutes a day for English practice. You can read a book, listen to a podcast, or speak to yourself in front of a mirror. Consistency is a key. And even a little bit of practice every day can make a huge difference. Remember, learning a language is a journey and it's perfectly okay to take it step by step. Don't rush. Stay consistent and most importantly, have fun with it. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning English. Comment below with your favorite tip from today's video or share your experience of learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content. Until next time, happy learning!